Hello friends, in this video let's talk about what is left join in MySQL RDBMS. In the previous section we talked about what is inner join and what are all different type of joins. So left join also little similar to the inner join, and add to the inner join we will be getting some extra records which are left over in the left table. So let me quickly show you in a diagrammatic manner. So let's quickly see. Let us see, this is a table 1 with the name of employee. So let's take a other table. So this is a table 2. If you see, so when I say this is employee table, this is a left side table, this is a department table, right side table. So I'm making it, this is left and this is right side table. So when I say inner join is nothing but whatever the common data between the two tables, that comes as an inner join. And when I say left join, so what is output for the left join is result would be common data or inner join data plus leftover data in left side table. Okay, so now if you see, the common data is nothing but this, and what is the leftover data is this. So this is the result set for the left join. So common data, this is the common data plus the leftover data which is there in the left side table. Total come under left join output. So let me quickly show you practically in the MySQL RDBMS. So for this example, I created two tables, employee and department. So I have generated data to accommodate the left join as well. Let me see. So let's quickly understand the records actually. If you see, so my employee table has total 8 columns, if you see, and 16 records. So these 16 records scattered under across the departments. So 20, 10, 10, 20, 30, 30, and that's it, 30 and 70 and 80. So total, if you see, my employees are scattered across 10, 20, 30, 70 and 80. That's it. Total 5 departments, like if you see 5 DEPTs, let's assume it. Now, so let me take a department table, select star from DEPT. So if you run this, total how many? Total I have 6 records, and if you see how many departments there, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. If you see here, I have 3 departments extra which does not exist in employee table if you see here. So now let me apply a left join between these two tables. Select star, I am using for timing, star from EMP left join DEPT, okay, on EMP dot DEPT ID DEPT dot DEPT ID. Okay, now if you see, this is how you write a left join between the two tables. When you have two tables, you will be writing like this. Now in this query, if you understand, employee table is a left table for the left join or for the any join. So for any join, instead of here left join or right join or self join or inner join, employee table is a left table and department table is a right table for this join. Okay, so this is the employee table is left table and department is the right table, and I'm applying on department ID column. So department ID is common between the two tables. That's the reason why I kept it. Now, so let me run this query. If you run this query, see, you will be getting, let us say first I'll apply inner join, okay, and for I'll see the difference actually. So let me run this. How many records I got? 14 records I got it. So if you come here, I'll write down 14 records. Plus how many extra records I'll be getting in the left join, I'll see. I'll make it as a left join now. Yeah, now let us see. See, if you see here, 14 plus 2 records. So for these 2 records, what is the department details? Since 80 and 70 and 80 does not exist in the department table, so what are all the columns which are coming from department table, those are nulls if you understand clearly. So these are the records which are coming from employee table. So those have a values. And what are all the columns which are coming from department table? Since it does not exist, this 70 and 80 does not exist in department table, those values are coming as null. So department name does not exist, department location does not exist, department ID also does not exist in the department table. Let me cross verify the 70 and 80 is there in department table or not. Let's run this. Yeah, you don't have 70 and 80 here. So that is the reason why those values are empty or nulls in the left join scenario. So there are a couple of cases in the real time you need to apply a left join to get the available records plus extra records also which are there in the left table. So then you can easily say how many records are left does not exist, department names. So then you can easily apply a different logic to add departments to the respect to Nike and Daniels. So in the similar way, so we apply a right join as well. So here we are showing the left join example only for two tables, but the scenario and our like a syntax is all same even for two or more tables as well. So whatever the tables which are before join is nothing but a left side tables. What are the tables which are there out next to the join is nothing but a right side tables. So depends on it, you need to decide either left join is suitable or right join is suitable for your requirement. So that's it. So if you have any questions on the joins or any RDBMS questions, please drop your question in the comment section. We'll try to answer as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.